In they are today discuss in subordinating conjunction. I tell subordinating conjunction are subordinator are words that join different clauses into complex sentence. For example, we carried our raincoat since it was cloud. There are many types of use in subordinating conjunction. In there WH word subordinating conjunction. In there WH subordinating conjunction in use of in their interrogative sentences who, ever, whom, whose, which, whichever, what, whatever, why, for, what, now, in which manner, when, at what time, where, at which place, wherever it. For example, I know why you come here. In there are two clauses. In there for join in subordinated conjunction in use of why. You are come here, I know. In they are jointed why. I know why you come here. For second example, subordinating conjunction of place. Where, at which place. In their subordinating conjunction of use in describe of place sentence in of word use in where, at which place. I know where you live. I know at which you live. In their subordinating conjunction in describe of places of sentence in where, at which place. In third type of subordinating conjunction in describe of time. When, whenever, will, after, before, as soon as, no sooner, the moment, until, till, since. For example, when he come, I was sleeping. I was sleeping when he come. He come will, I was sleeping. In third type of subordinating conjunction, used in course or region. Describe it. Few words in use in sentence subordinating of word and sentence because, as, since, now that, seeing that, considering that. For example, I cannot help you because he does not have. In this word in region causes of sentence in they are using subordinate conjunction because, as, since, now that, seeing that, considering that. In there are 5 types of subordinate conjunction in use of result or consequence. So that, for example, he is so upset that he cannot focus on study. 6 type subordinating conjunction of using purpose. Few words, so that, in order that, test, in list. For example, he went to Agra so that he might see the Taj. 7 type of subordinating conjunction in use considered. In use of if, in case, suppose that, supposing that, provided that, on the, considering that, unless. For example, in Modi take a big decision, the opposition will oppose it. 8 type of subordinating conjunction. Subordinate conjunction of contrast, thought, all thought. Yet, thought, he worked hard, he failed in the exam. 9 type of subordinating conjunction. In comparison, they are used in word as, so as, that. For example, he is not so diligent as you. 10 type of subordinating conjunction of manner. In use word as, the way, the manner, how. As you talk is not good. The way you talk is not good. The manner you talk is not good. How you talk is not good. In their manner, word in usage as, the way, the manner. In their subordinating conjunction, in jointed up complex sentence, one simple and one subordinate sentence, in they are using in use word of conjunction, in they are called subordinating conjunction.